The OnePlus TV is the fastest-selling 32-inch TV on Amazon. After a lot of hype and excitement, OnePlus finally launched its budget smart TV series in India, and its first sale took place on July 5. And amid the boycott Chinese products movement, OnePlus TVs have been well received by the Indian customers. OnePlus launched the U-Series and Y-Series Android TV in India, which includes 3 models including 55-inch 4K TV, 43-inch Full HD TV, and 32-inch HD TV. All of these TVs run on Android TV OS and have customized content by OnePlus with the interface named Oxygen Play. Budget smart TVs are very popular these days, and actually is the most selling price point in India is in the Rs. 12K, R'(S.15K range, while also FHD smart TVs in Rs. 20K price range is popular in India as well. So the Y-Series by OnePlus is targeted towards the budget-minded people who have totally burst into the sale and made the OnePlus TV is the fastest-selling 32-inch on Amazon India. As per OnePlus India, in the first sale of the OnePlus TV, the first batch of the smart TVs was sold out in just a minute only. OnePlus even promises that more batches are on the way and will bring more budget smart TVs soon. The OnePlus TV 55 UI has Chromecast built in and also has support for Miracast and DLNA. It has support for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. For ports, you get 3 HDMI ports. HDMI 1 has support for ARC, an AV input, composite port, an optical audio output port, an Ethernet port, one USB 2.0 port, and one USB 3.0 port. Another software feature is Data Saver Plus, which allows you to set a custom bandwidth and when to alert you of data usage. Equipped with the Gamma engine, the OnePlus TV Y-Series delivers a smoother and more immersive viewing experience in any environment. Designed to captivate the audience, the bezel-less design of the OnePlus TV Y-Series maximizes the display space, creating an immersive viewing experience. The 43-inch variant of the OnePlus TV Y-Series offers an impressive screen-to-body ratio at nearly 90% with a bezel-less design to keep you engaged with your visual content. The 32-inch variant also offers an incredible screen-to-body ratio of over 90%. Similar to the U-Series, the OnePlus TV Y-Series also brings together Android TV 9.0 and the OnePlus Connect app to provide you with a seamless smart TV experience through a unique mobile user interface. In addition, both the OnePlus TV U-Series and Y-Series allow you to control the smart TV with Google Assistant. The new OnePlus TVs are also compatible with Chromecast and DLNA. The two TVs have 20-watt speakers with Dolby Audio. Kids Mode, a separate profile can be created for kids with a selection of apps to be displayed, timer and security pin. Budget smart TVs are very popular these days, and actually is the most selling price point in India is in the Rs. 12K, R'(S.15K range, while also FHD smart TVs in Rs. 20K price range is popular in India as well. So the Y-Series by OnePlus is targeted towards the budget-minded people who have totally burst into the sale and made the OnePlus TV is the fastest-selling 32-inch on Amazon India. TV Shared Album. If you have OnePlus 7/7 Pro, you can sync your photos and videos to cloud and view them directly on TV. As per OnePlus India, in the first sale of the OnePlus TV, the first batch of the smart TVs was sold out in just a minute only. OnePlus even promises that more batches are on the way and will bring more budget smart TVs soon. Format storage option is back. Now you can expand the storage with external USB/HDD. Eyes protection mode has a low backlight value set with some tuning done by the team. WRT gamma, sharpness and color for a lesser strain on the eyes. Please find the specs below. There are few links that has been provided in the YouTube description box. This include discounts, as well as unique products that you cannot come across in Google search. I earn a small commission. If you buy anything from that link, please buy me a beer. If you have any clarification, comment below the video. I will try my best to clear your doubts. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my video, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you will get my new videos. Also don't forget to hit on like button. Thanks for watching. You are listening to Jason Peter, signing off. Have a good morning, good evening, or good night, whichever part of the world you are. Take care.